Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please do not leave without subscribing. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you are also yet to follow me on Telegram, I will put the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow me on Telegram. I'll be expecting. And if you are interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you are interested, then the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. By the way, we are rolling out a 7 days free trial. Basically, you can trade with us free for good 7 days. So within the 7 days, you can trade with us for good free. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we'll be projecting on gold this week. This week, I'll be projecting a movement to the upside on gold this week. Reason is that we'll be expecting a fall on our DXY, or we may say our USD itself. Now, if you watch my analysis on Friday, let me start with that Friday. When you watch my analysis, I literally talked about, seeing a movement here, then a little bit of a correction, right? Then one more movement to this resistance level. And guess what? Monday, Tuesday, we should be able to hit this resistance level. This is the aim on Monday and Tuesday. Price should hit this resistance level within Monday and Tuesday. Now, one of the reasons why we'll be expecting a fall on DXY or USD index this week. Let's start with the fundamentals. Now, when we go to the fundamental aspect of it, we can see on Monday we have no major news that would move the USD market. But on Tuesday, we have one, which is the CPI, and it is expected to come out low, which I also agree with it. We all know the increase in interest rate should also affect price. And I think it was not about last week, Thursday, right? About unemployment claims literally came out, which it came out high. That is due to the fact that a whole lot of people are unemployed. We all know that that has a negative effect on our DXY or our USD. USD literally came out fine, due to the fact that interest rate was increased. A lot of businesses tends to have it difficult to borrow money, to run their businesses and every other thing. So of course, they need to relieve some people of their work, and these people tends to file for unemployment claims, try to get some benefits from the government and whatever. So that is why it came out high. With this CPI, I also expect it to come out low. Reason is that the inflation, of course, when a whole lot of people in a nation are unemployed, a lot of people don't really have job, the spending tends to kind of reduce. So which I am in support of this. CPI year on year, it should also come out low. So if they come out low, I'm not saying they'll come out low. If they will come out low, then USD needs to fall. If USD falls, that will give way on our gold to go bullish. Now on Wednesday, we will be expecting core PPI. We will also be expecting PPI. Then we'll be expecting federal fund rates to remain the same. If in case it remains the same, then USD to fall. But if in case it increases, we very much likely to see a bullish move on USD. But if it still remains the same at 5.25, if it is not being changed, or if it is being cut down, then USD have to fall, giving way for our gold to actually, even break out of this resistance level. So we should be expecting a breakout. If you are to sell, that would be a very bad idea to actually start looking to sell. You should be looking for a buy on gold this week. That is on Wednesday. I think on Thursday we have one which is core retail sales, Empire States Manufacturing Index and everything, unemployment claims. These are kind of like uncertainty something movements, which means a gold we actually see a bullish move. A lot of people will start buying gold, investors will start moving money to gold and every other thing, right? So the movement on gold will be to the upside. I mean, this has already bottomed. If you have to take a look at this is kind of like a triple bottom. I mean, this is one, two, you can see it. This is the three bottom. So that is an indication when you see a double bottom or a triple bottom. That is an indication that price wants to change its direction. So with this movement, I'm expecting an upside movement. So let's see if we can hit a level of 2006, possibly to a level of 2000, 2022. That is 2022. We don't know where gold will hit this level, but what we know that what we will be speculating this week is that gold will give us a bullish move. So if in case you are interested in trading gold, you are interested in the setup and the entry points, the take profits, the stop loss and every other thing, then all you just have to do is sign up with us. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial on our Patreon channel. So just sign up with us. We will give out these levels on our gold, and you can get to profits with us on our gold. So the link to the gold to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section.